Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to a brand new episode of Rosalind's Front Row. My guest for today is none other than the very successful, very talented, and drop dead gorgeous designer Jaya Mishra. Welcome, Jaya Mishra.
Namaste.
So, Jaya, from awards to accolades, you have it all. But this year had been a milestone year for you where you had nailed the Cannes red carpet, and at the same time you had been awarded the very prestigious award at the House of Lords, London, right?
Yes. Yes.
So, if you can summarize your accomplishment, how do you see this journey to be?
It's a tough journey,
Mm-hmm.
but lots of things to learn
Mm-hmm.
and lots of things I came to know that if hurdles won't come, you are not successful.
Mm-hmm.
So I think in 20 years of the span of my time in
Mm-hmm.
fashion designing,
Mm-hmm.
lots of things came up.
Mm-hmm.
Back forth, something like this. But I always say,
Mm-hmm.
if your life is going straight,
Mm-hmm.
there's no maza in that.
Mm-hmm.
कोनो fun नहीं होते. First of all, Pratyusha, I'm really very glad and happy to see you here and taking an interview. And my 20 years journey, I think it was good, but yes, this year is actually a milestone for me because throughout I was going through many things, but the elevation this year and accelerated of my profile is went another level. To be very honest, I was not going can. I was supposed to say no, what I'm going to do, I'm a designer. But when I went there, it was so lovely experience. I'm telling you, it was once in a lifetime experience for me. And especially in House of Lords, the British Parliament, which is really, I will thought in the dreams only. But yes, it was the dreams come successful. It was one another, it really gives me goosebumps till now.
Mm-hmm.
So I think with the God grace and everybody's good wishes is there with me.
And of course, you have toiled relentlessly all these years to make it happen, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what was the defining moment when you thought that you would take up fashion designing as your career?
You know, defining moment, I will say my mother was very fashionable.
Mm-hmm.
And coming from Bombay, hailing from Bombay, she always make me very beautiful, lovely, small little girl take to the Master Ji
Ah.
and asking what you want now. So my dresses were when I was 10 years, I was going with her and designing my dresses.
Oh.
Yes. And later part, and my mom was very, very fashionable. The Georgette sarees and pearl necklace and buffo like Gayatri Devi's. I'm still that girl
Yeah, yeah, of
wearing
course.
chiffon sarees and pearl
Undoubtedly.
necklace. This is
Ha, ha,
my
ha, ha, ha.
best compliment for me, which I get
Ha.
from everywhere. So after that, getting married, for some time I was like a housewife, bringing my childrens and all, which is that is also very important.
Yeah, yeah, of
It was the
course.
most important part of our life, making family, being a housewife, at the same time the career. So once my children were grown up, so I moved to the career. So he told me, my husband, he told me, you do something first. What you want to do first, learn about it. So I enrolled myself in NIFT,
Okay.
and 2 years I got diploma and I got best fashion designer award from there. And after that, no looking back.
Oh, great, great. So you will be inspiring a lot of homemakers as well who
Yes.
couldn't pursue their career
Yes.
earlier because of their family and children,
Yes.
isn't it?
And
Yeah.
my suggestion,
Hmm.
if housewife or any girl, any woman, the success is not only about the career. The success is when you're being a housewife, taking care of your family, and upbringing your children very nicely or your child, and the career is also good, then I will say that is a success. Success shouldn't be one career or you're not happy in your family or the career is not doing well. If you take everything together, along with the family, along with the husband, that I'll say that is called success.
True. So, Jaya, you have got it all. So, 5 years down the line, where do you see yourself?
5 years, I have a miles to go before I sleep and a miles to go before I sleep. This is my every time, every wherever I go, I give this 5 years or 10 years, whatever. The goals are achieved though, but there are few more goals. Next year they are upcoming with me. I've been approached by New York Fashion Week and many others like global fashions and all. So probably I'm getting into those and few things I'm a superstitious about a bit. Let's
Okay.
time say everything.
Yeah.
Maybe 5 years down the lane, again we are sitting here.
Yes,
Or
of
maybe not.
course.
Might be.
Fingers crossed.
Finger crossed,
Yeah.
darling. So,
I would like to see you at the Winfrey Opera show, rather.
if you say,
Yeah.
I bet,
Yeah.
I will do it.
Yes, of course.
Make sure.
Of course. So, this industry sometimes is
I
very overwhelming.
sorry, once more. And I want to be Winfrey Opera here in India. How about that? So my Indian Winfrey Opera always taking my interview. How's that? How does this sounds?
Yeah.
Yes.
So now the industry is very overwhelming, isn't
Yes,
it?
of
So at
course.
times you do feel like giving up. So I guess in your this momentous career that you had, there had been many instances where you felt like giving up. But what is the thing that kept you going?
One thing I have in me, maybe inbuilt, I understand situation very easily. Once a situation comes or I see a person, they are good, they are bad, or not very good for me, I take a seat back. But with God grace, till date, that hurdle, to be very honest, didn't came. But lots of things like when it happened, what you say, money things and all, GST things, like we got COVIDs and all. So lots of things happened those times also. We are feeding our karigars, we are doing many things for them. But at the same time, sometimes it's out of our hands also, we can't do, we are helpless sometimes. Otherwise in this industry I've been welcomed very nicely. Especially I'll say one person when I started, Mr. Mark Robinson. He really helped me in many ways. Like I got Dubai Fashion Week, then Femina Miss India. I was designer with them for 2 years. So more than hurdles, I feel that lots of complication comes when we are working. But in industry, I've been treated by everyone very nicely because be humble and you will get the results.
Yes. And the last question for today is that how do you come back to your trollers?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Just keep silent mode, be calm, easy. Your integrity is with you. So I feel the kind of a person I am, I won't go outburst anything. Let them what do they are doing. Let me do what I am doing, what my parents taught me. I just keep silent, go sleep nicely at night. Next day come, whatever people are doing or they are up to is their karma. I am doing my karma, darling.
So, Jaya, it was lovely having you on my show.
Thanks for being here.
Love you.
Love you too.